Here's a MATLAB myth I need to kill. Right at the start. You think quote marks are decoration, that a 5 in quote marks is the same 5 as a plain 5, and MATLAB will work out what you meant. It won't. Put quotes round it and MATLAB stores text, not a number. Add something to it, and you get no error. You get a number. Sensible looking, completely wrong. And you'll hunt for the bug in your arithmetic, because the arithmetic is the only part you can see. Think about the price tag on the counter. Someone has printed a 5 on a little card. That card is not $5. It's a picture of a 5. You can read it, or print it on a cup. What you can't do is drop it in the till and give someone change. Money and a label that says money are two different kinds of thing. In MATLAB, quote marks are what turn one into the other. So here's the other half of what a variable is. A box holds exactly one value. It also holds exactly one kind of value. That kind is called the box's type, and you never have to guess it because you can ask. You write class, then the name of the box in brackets, class of drink name. MATLAB answers, char, and drops that answer in a box called ans, because you didn't give it a name. That's all ans ever means. Here's the order from last time. A latte, a member, price $3.50, an 80-cent extra shot, and a total of $4.30. Now ask each box what it is. Class of drink name char, short for character. MATLAB's word for text. Class of is member, logical. True or false, and nothing else. Then price, extra shot, and total all come back double. Double is MATLAB's ordinary number. 3 different kinds of thing in one workspace, and nothing on that screen told you which was which until you asked. Now, the key moment. The shop puts the price up to $5, and you type it in. Price equals a 5 in quote marks. Your fingers are in the habit from typing latte. Now, recompute the total, the way you learned last time. Total equals price, plus extra shot. No error, no warning. And the total is $53.80. Look at the workspace. Price used to be a double. It's char now. Assigning wiped the value, and it wiped the type with it. And the arithmetic went ahead anyway. So where did 53 come from? MATLAB doesn't store the shape of a character. It stores a number for it, from a list that never changes. The digit 0 is 48. The digits run in order from there, so 1 is 49, 2 is 50, and the digit 5 is 53. Double of a 5 in quote marks, and MATLAB hands you 53. Same word, used as an instruction. So when you added 80 cents to a character, MATLAB used the only number it had. 53 plus 80 cents is $53.80. So how do you fix it? Not by staring at the arithmetic. It's fine. You fix the type. MATLAB has a converter for exactly this. SATR2 double. Text in, number out. Price equals STR2 double of price. Now price holds a plain 5, and class of price says double. Recompute the total, and you get $5.80. Here's the habit worth stealing. When a number comes out wrong and there's no error anywhere, ask class of that box before you touch anything else. One more, because the same rule is hiding in the isMember box. IsMember is logical, and logical does arithmetic too. True counts as 1, false counts as 0. So a member discount is one line, with no decision to make. Total equals total minus 50 cents times isMember. IsMember is true, so that's 50 cents off. If it were false, nothing off. MATLAB would rather convert than complain. With true and false, that's usually what you wanted. With text, it almost never is. Every box holds one value and one kind of value. Quote, marks make text. Text is character codes. So arithmetic on it hands you a wrong answer instead of an error. Class tells you what you've actually got. Here's your challenge. Start with extra shot holding 80 cents. Then price equals a 6 in quote marks. Then total equals price plus extra shot. What number ends up in total? Remember, the digit 0 is 48. Work it out by hand, then run it. Comment your answer. I'll pin the first correct one. All the code from this video is free on GitHub, link in the description. Download it, open the data types folder, and you've got the coffee order with every box classed, the quote marks bug, the fixed version, and the true and false one, ready to run alongside what you just watched. Try the challenge, then come back and tell me what you got.